It may look like I always wear green t-shirts, but I don't. I just own a lot of them because when I like something I just buy a lot of it. Today I just want to discuss about living out of my car. It's been 1 month now on the road where I've lived out of a suitcase and my car. When I'm on holiday for uni, so it's Christmas or Easter, I essentially live out of my car and a suitcase. Lived out of this bad boy. Pretty good fun though. He gets me around. I do like him. What I mean by living in my car: food, blanket, also suitcases, bits of clothes like down there. Literally constantly living in my car. Right, what we need to do is try and get a bike or two in here.
Bike or two? Can't fit two in the problem.
Definitely fit. Rebecca's not happy because I've lost her dust cap and she stood by her wheel. And where it's gone? I don't have any. I'll find it in a minute, darling.
You haven't even got your PS3 in the car, so what have you got your game?
I live out of my car, my PS3 game's not even in there. Next time we'll be coming here will be for 1 month again. So it is always quite big kind of chunks of time, which is cool. You know, you get to do a lot of different things and it keeps you in one place, which is the main thing. You know, I hate the thing about vlogging, just quickly, just want to interrupt this. I hate looking into that screen. Like, you just get completely distracted by it. So I might, like, I don't know, get my glasses on or something. Anyway, so yeah, generally spend a lot of time just travelling around the country. My mum lives like way up north, which is actually currently covered in snow. My main home is like in the middle of the country, so I live in Yorkshire. Like say middle of the country is more like here, which is East Midlands. So the point of it is just I just tend to live out of my car, which is fun. It's always like an adventure, and you're always ready to go and like do something, which is pretty cool. Throughout them blocks of time, I do actually have an address. Although, funny story, when I completed my second year of uni, I didn't want to live with anyone. I'd become fed up of living with people by this point. So for my third year, I was like, well, what could I do? So I looked at renting out a caravan, or buying a caravan to live in, buying a motorhome to live in, or buying an estate car and converting it into a camper car. All of which I didn't do in the end because someone talked some sense into me to go and stay in a house because I'd freeze through the winter. But that was my idea. Surprising, you can do anything, and the majority of the time I am just driving from here to there. And it's a lot of miles. Everyone lives around about 2 to 3 hours away, so it's 2 to 3 hours there, 2 to 3 hours north. It's a lot of travelling, a lot of petrol. It's more practical than a train or flying. Adventures are always cool.